Well, long time no see. As you can see by my giant bag, I got a new special kit. Can you guess what it is? The Concorde. That's right. I got it. Day one, baby. And there was one built in the store, and it actually looked bigger than I expected it to be. So this could be a fun build. I went ahead and opened the box already, and it's kind of interesting, a little different than the usual Lego fare. Let me show you. This is basically all the bags that came in the box. Inside the box, it was just half bags. There was a smaller white box inside, which just had more bags in no particular order. But what's interesting is that there's 21 sections, but only one bag for each section. As you can see, I'm already on step 3 here, but it's kind of an unusual twist, and I don't know how I feel about it. For some reason, it makes it seem like, oh, is there not a lot of pieces or something, even though there's 21 steps instead of like 3 steps and 8 bags a piece or something like that. I don't know what it is. There's one, I think that's the printed windshield, but I don't know. Yeah, that's all I can say about that. This is where I am so far. I appear to be building the wingspan here, watching the racing brick review on it. But yeah, you know, again, I think it's gonna charge and more fun than what it first appears. Let's just say I'm really glad it's only $200 US, because I don't think I would feel comfortable paying more than that. But these are just my first impressions. Again, I was surprised at the sheer size of it in the Lego store. So, yeah, it could be interesting. I guess I'll keep you guys updated, but feel free to ask me any questions down below along the way. And that's it. I'll have a wonderful day, and see you at the next one. Bye.